This time we are proud to present the alphabet from A to Z. Some letters are made of straight lines and some are curvy and round, but every letter makes a sound.
The A says ah!
The B says b b b b. The C says k.
And the D says D.
The E says eh.
And the F says f.
The G says G.
And the H says
The I says
and the J says J.
the K says k.
And the L says oh, 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 oh.
The M says
And the N says
The O says ah 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 ah.
And the P says
The Q says kwuh.
And the R says r, r, r.
The S says S.
And the T says t.
the U says and the B says
The W says what 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 what.
And the X says X.
The Y says yeah.
and the C says and those are all the letters in the factory.
If you practice, it's not hard to learn your alphabet. Every letter makes a sound.
What you hear is what you get.